What if I told you there are thousands of people are making thousands of dollars from YouTube without showing their face? It's mind-blowing, right? So check out this channel. This is the history verse. If you see, most of this channel has only shorts videos, and if you see, most of the shorts videos having more than million views, right? So the blueprint of all of this video, what this channel is having, it has some kind of history facts, and they are stitched together, the visuals, voiceovers and scripts together, and they are uploading this. Now you may come across from many YouTubers, they have told you this information and they taught you to teach how you can create the videos like this with your own. So for that, they follow the 7-step process. From the step 1, you need to choose a topic and you need to write the script and making a voiceover, then create visuals, create captions and make videos, finally render and upload the videos. And the many YouTubers taught you to choose a topic, you need to use any of the AI writing tools and create the script. They may taught you to choose ChatGPT or Midjourney or any tools kind of this. And for making a voiceover, they taught you to use the 11 Labs and any other tools. And for creating visuals, the Midjourney, Leonardo AI and etc. To create a caption, Weed, Descript and make videos, CapCut, Camtasia or any other video editors. Finally, to render and upload, mostly they taught you to that manual process to render the video and upload the video manually. While all these steps are true to make the video like this, do you think all these steps are time eating process, right? So if you are looking to earn money as a side hustle from YouTube and create the YouTube channel as a side business, you may don't find enough time to create a single YouTube shorts video by following all of this 7 process. So because of that, you will lose the consistency of video creating and uploading. The result, your YouTube channels getting failed. There is no subscribers, no views at all. It will come. What if I told you you don't need all of this 7 process and you can automate everything with only 2 tools with just a few minutes and a few clicks? It's mind-blowing, right? So let me show you how quickly you can generate the videos like this and getting views and likes like this. So see this AIMagicStudio video creation page. So you can see here I'm just giving the name for my campaign and I just choose the content type as keyword and simply I provide the topic, the top 7 historical facts about Alexander the Great. And in the video instruction, I have provided that simple instructions: write 7 interesting historical facts about Alexander the Great. Use the image prompt to generate hyper realistic images. Then in the AI image generation, I pick only use AI image. In the language, I choose English, and the voiceover, I pick any of the things is for my favorite. So in this case, I choose Christopher Multilingual. You can play that sample voice also, how the voice will looks like.
Hello, this is my sample voice.
Right? So the video dimension, I just pick the type is YouTube Shorts. That's it. I simply click the submit button. Then that AIMagicStudio will start its own magic. So instead of doing all the 7 steps manually, that AIMagicStudio will automatically pick the 7 historical facts about the Alexander Great and create the video script and create the visuals, create the voiceovers, create the captions and stitch all together into a single video, and it will show us the created video in a moment. So here you get the information that thank you, your video is being generated and will be ready shortly. Track its status on the campaign page, close this to go there. So within a few minutes you will get the video. So here I just click the back button, it will take me to the campaigns page, right? So here if I go there, you can see now the historical facts about Alexander is pending. So I will pause this video, and once the video is ready I will show you. So now you see that the historical facts about Alexander the Great, the status is created, which means the video is getting ready for our review. So simply click the video editor. It will open the video in the video editor. So as the first step, without doing anything in that video editor, I simply click the preview button to look how the video is. So let me play that video. First I will show in a full screen mode, then click the play button.
Exploration of Alexander the Great, one of the most influential figures in history. Let's dive into his fascinating life. Alexander was born in Pella, Macedonia in 356 BC to King Philip II and Queen Olympias. His royal lineage certainly shaped his destiny. He was tutored by the great Aristotle, whose teachings sparked Alexander's enduring love for knowledge, philosophy, and science. At just 20 years old, Alexander ascended to the throne after his father's ascension.
Okay, let me pause. So this is how that video is generated, and along with this video has generated, you can also see that info which provides that SEO optimized YouTube title, descriptions and tags for you to use while you upload the video in the YouTube section. And in the background music, you can choose any of the background music while that video is playing. So let me choose one background music here. For example, I just pick any things, or if you have your own background music, you can upload that music and use it here. Now if you want to make this video is perfect for Facebook, you can choose here that Facebook video. Let's say for example Facebook post videos, and this is for YouTube standard video, and this is for TikTok video and YouTube shorts or reels video. So kind of this, you can use the same video, and once everything is ready, you simply click the render button. It will render the video and it will ready to download as a rendered video. Then you can download that video and upload that video in a YouTube channel as a manual process. But here the tool is called make.com will help us to automate this process completely once the video gets rendered. For that, go to make.com. So if you don't have a make.com account, I have provided the link down below this video. Click that link and create your free make.com account, and you can also download that scenario blueprint what I have provided in the down below in the link, and import that blueprint by clicking this three dot and click the import button and select that. Then you will see like this. So here this is the webhook. You need to create the webhook. I already created that webhook. So as a first step, what we need to do, we simply copy this webhook address and come back to our AIMagicStudio page. In the menu you choose the webhook, and here click the plus button and paste the copied webhook URL and provide some unique name for your reference and click the add button, right? So once you've done this, come back to that make.com, and here in a YouTube section, make sure you have connected your channel with this YouTube account, and all that same thing for this YouTube and same thing for this YouTube module. So once you've done this, click the save and make it immediately as data arrives. That's it. So once you've done this and save it, that make.com setup is complete. Now you're coming back to that AIMagicStudio, go back to that same video what I have shown you earlier. So here in the change webhook button, press this and it will load all the webhooks. Here you just choose the webhook which you have created, right, and click the save, then click render button. So now what it will happen, that AIMagicStudio, it starts to render the video, and once the video is getting rendered, it will call that webhook of make.com, then make.com scenario will fetch all the information from AIMagicStudio and upload it into YouTube and upload the thumbnail of the image which came from webhook into that YouTube, and also it will add any of the playlist what you have mentioned here. If you don't have any playlist, you just delete this module and only keep these two modules. So it will upload the video and set the thumbnail. That's it. So this is the complete process, complete automated process. So every time that video is getting ready, it will come. So even now, this particular process is not the complete automation process. So even now, for in the AIMagicStudio, for each and every video topic, you need to create the campaign, new campaign, and you need to wait to that AIMagicStudio is stitched all together and create the video, and you need to manually click the render button. So I will go even steps further that we can make it in complete automate by using the bulk campaign feature in AIMagicStudio. So this is the bulk campaign feature. So here what we will do, this is exactly that the same process what we follow in the simple campaign process. So here we need to provide the name, right? And here the video instruction we can provide it, and in the keyword section we can provide, instead of single topic we will provide multiple topics, so that for multiple topic, for this only we need to spend some times to brainstorming. You may use either any GPT tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, or otherwise I will teach you one trick that will pick the topics which is already getting lots and lots of views in YouTube. So for that, what you need to do, just simply go to Historyverse channel, which is we have seen already, and make sure you have click the shorts and click the popular, right? Then it will list only the popular videos. Okay, so now we are going to copy all of this title from this channel. So for that, use the following process to copy all the popular videos title from this particular channel. So as a first step, make sure you have opened this channel page from the Google Chrome and right click any of the blank space and click inspect. Then make sure you are in console, right? Clear everything, and here just run this particular command. So I have given the link down below this video description box. You can copy this command. This is the first command you need to run. So it will automatically scroll the pages, right? Wait for some time for this command. Then clear this, run the second command, this one, press enter. That's it. So it has given all the videos title as well as link. So what I'm going to do, I simply select everything right up to this and copy this, open sheets.google.com, create the blank spreadsheet, paste in the first cell everything, paste it. So now everything is pasted here. You see the first thing is we just change like this. Then in a second column we will get all the videos titles here. So now what I simply copy all the videos up to 115 video title, I got it. So come back to AIMagicStudio and simply paste the copied video titles here. So there are 115 keyword count. Then we need to provide the instruction to the AIMagicStudio to create, and in the number of videos to render I will just put one video daily, and in that AI image generation use only AI image language is English and use that voice style whichever is suitable for you, use that, right? Then in a webhook section, it's important to automate the every process. You need to choose the webhook here itself. Use your created and saved webhook earlier here. Then simply choose the video type as shorts and just click the create button. That's it. So that complete YouTube channel automation process has done within 5 minutes of time. So from today onwards, once I created this campaign, from today onwards, from the next 115 days, my channel will get one shorts video each day. That's create the consistency of video uploading. YouTube algorithm will get triggered to see my YouTube channels and my efforts, and it will take my YouTube channel in top of the world, and it will bring me many views and likes like this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed with this video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.